Confident, but voice quality is more important. Marami ako nakita kami na confident. Very confident sila sa stage. Pero importante ang voice quality. Aanin namin ang confident lang. Okay? Voice quality din po. Then, singing competition is a character. Iba po yung lumalaban kayo ng contest sa guesting. Diba? Mag-effort naman po din kayo. Kasi importante din po na pag umawit, dapat alam din ninyo na competition po ito. Guesting is guesting. Diba? Tama? Okay, next is, may mga tao po na over-effort. Ang iba naman under-effort. Kaya ang iba, okay sana. Kaya nang nakukulangan ng mga judges. Okay? And last but not the least, pag bumirit, tandaan po ninyo ito, dapat malinis. Okay? Dahil pag sumobra ang birit, nasisintonado na po kayo nang hindi niyo napapansin. At napapansin yan ng mga Board of Judges dahil sinisipat nila at pinapakinggan kayo. Naintindihan po natin. So sa inyo pong lahat, congratulations. Here we go. Ito na po ang mga winners.
And then we will ask the champion to perform the song that she did earlier later, okay? Whoever will win will sing
Okay.
the song.
Okay, next is the second runner-up or third placer. Pinagkaisahan namin na ito ang pumasok na third placer, scoring and everything, because malinis, magaan, ang mukha niya, expression niya, damdamin para sa awit na bigyan niya ng hustisya. And the second runner-up is contestant number ang umawit ng isang lahi. Contestant number 7, si Jiro.
Manager Mario is ready with a 500. Manager Mario, a shirt also from First Council Advertising, a trophy from Nora, a pack from Bob Alryan Jewelry, scholarship from Torts, at Milibang from Live, Babe Extreme UAE. Yan, we have a representative from Perfume ba? Meron ba? Grabe talaga itong MC Perfume. Yan. Hindi kayo magsisisi, ha? Yan. Where is Manager Mario? Yan. Palakpakan naman natin. Okay. One down, two more to go.
Maraming salamat. Congratulations, Jiro. You made it. Next. Itong umawit na ito, wow. Napawaw kaming lahat. Bakit? Pag nakita niyo siya, siya nga. Meron siyang tinatawag na star factor. Hindi lang boses, control ng boses, hindi masyadong bumibirit, alalay, malinis. Congratulations to our first runner-up. Contestant number, yung umawit ng Nosy Balasi. Contestant number 26, Hennessy.
Hennessy!
Parang nanalo talaga yung napakatuloy, no? Yung mabuti.
700 dirhams cash. From Manager Mario, a trophy from Nora, a shirt from First Concept, from Bob Orion Jewelry, and a scholarship from Torts, and a gift from MC Perfume, and also Babe Extreme UAE. Yan, strike a pose with a winner. Ay! 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 Bibigyan na ng bouncer. Bigyan ni Jay. Okay, Jay. Pati si Jairo. Ako, magpamasahe kayo niyan. Yan. Why, Jack, stay there, stay there. Ay, alam ka. Yan. Huwag kang mahiyayain ito sa ano. May mga kamay na kayo dyan. Okay, now, 2 down. most awaited announcement, Evan.
Yes, Rico. Ito
The cream of the crop of the cream.
Bago ko i-announce, I'd like to give justice to that, to the person na nanalo ngayon. Okay, nag-deliberate po kami lahat-lahat ng mga judges. Alam niyo ba, marami ang bumirit kanina. Pero mabibilang lamang ang malinis. Okay? Mabibilang lamang yung magaan. Yung ang espiritu niya, lumilipad sa gaan. Merong bumibirit pero hirap, mabigat.
Kasi alam ko
Kulang ang
nagganyan silang lahat.
ekspresyon ng maayos. Okay? And tonight's winner, alam ko may iba magugulat, pero this is it. Ginawa namin ang lahat, Joel, Alvin, and Leo. And tonight's winner for the Oldie Goldies Season 2 champion is
Hindi. Babae.
Areglo, ang kanyang awit. At ang nanalo ay walang iba kundi pinaiyak niya mga judges ang mawit ng anak, Almira, contestant number 12.
Almira in the house. She bested the rest.
Magaling din naman.
Almira, okay? Let's decorate Almira with the prizes. A shirt from First Concept. Okay, 1,000 dirhams cash. From Bob, trophy from Nora. And from Vape Extreme. And MC Perfume. And another scholarship from Torrance Institute. And Jake will give you massage for 1 hour. Yan. Yan, puno-puno na. Yan. Can we ask the 3 winners to pose on stage? Your 3 winners. Okay, 3 winners and the judges. 3 winners and the judges, please. Leo on stage with the winners. Alvin, Joel, Evan. Manager Mario also. Where is Joel? Yan. Palagpakan naman natin. And there. And to sing her winning piece, let's welcome back the champ on stage. Yan. O, kanta ulit. The winning piece. Almira.
Ate.
Okay. Ronald, ready na ba yung banyan? Yung music ni Almira. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the champion of Oldie Goldies Season 2.
Sa inyo pong lahat and to all the people behind this amazing event, sa ating mga judges, sa organizers, sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat po. Actually po, hindi ko po akalain ko, grabe, speechless po ako, but God be all the highest po. And sana makakanta po po ako. Thank you po once again.
Magaling yan. Akala ko yung puti. Ganyan ka mo. Mas maganda ang pagkakanta ngayon kaysa yung sa atin. Asan na si Ate Nora?
Masunod ang layo mo, hindi mo sila pinansin. Nagdaan pa ang araw at ang landas mo'y naligaw. Ikailan mo sa masama, bisya. Compose niya. Maganda yung pagka-judge nila ngayon. Thank you po.
The Songbird with a bragging right to be called the champion. Congratulations. Thank you. Lollipop and Mommy Erica will be back on stage
Hindi ka
for the
nakakanta.
live.
Ay, kamo. Walang tayo. Ano na? Uwi na? Oo.